after 2 years of not running the Hope in the Park event, we can announce that it will be back here at Hickman Park for everyone to enjoy. It's a community outreach event happening here on the 26th of June. And I know the stage behind me doesn't look very nice right now, but we're going to get it polished up to bring hope back to this community. We want to reach everyone we can here in Bilston, and it's run by Churches Together. So there's going to be loads of people here. It's been running for over 10 years. So there's a legacy there already, but we just want to bring hope to people. And what we're going to be having there is schools coming to perform. We're going to have competitions, prizes. We're going to be having ice cream vans and bouncy castles. It's going to be so much fun. So why not join us on the 26th of June here at Hickman Park for Hope in the Park. Have you heard of Excel Companions? I don't know if he has, but you guys will have. So this is our senior citizens meals that we do here at Excel Church, and we're pleased to share that actually over the next few months we're going to be making the meals free of charge. So why not use this as an opportunity to get some of your friends along to come for these free meals and great company over the next few months. So join us for Excel Companions if you're a senior citizen. Have you been baptised? Well, your opportunity is coming up if you're interested and you want more information about this. Our baptismal service will be happening on the 3rd of July, so it's coming up shortly. But do get in touch with us, chat to us to get more information and to take this important step as a believer and follower of Jesus. So get in touch with us if you want to be baptised.
We are but yours. And we are but yours.
We're going to be running an Alpha course here starting on Thursday the 9th of June. So if you want to find out more, you can sign up on our website and check out this promo.
Alpha Online is a free course designed to give you the space and time to ask the big and often challenging questions about life, faith and meaning. No filters, just honest discussion. To attend an Alpha Online, all you have to do is sign up and then join a weekly online call, all from the comfort of your home. Everything else is taken care of by your hosts. So feel free to pour yourself a drink, get comfy, get your laptop ready, and you are good to go. What have you got to lose? Try Alpha Online.
We are but yours. And we are but yours. And I am yours. And I
Next Sunday after the evening service, we're going to be having late night worship. We're going to be bringing it back. It's going to be a stripped back evening where you can just spend time with the Lord, worshipping him, sitting at his feet together here at church. So why not join us for that after the evening service next Sunday? Our church weekend away, Strength Will Rise, is only a few weeks away. Nobody panic, it's all fine, we've got it under control. But this means that on Sunday the 5th of June, there's not going to be a church service here in Bilston at Excel Church, because of course we're going to all be in Wales. Now, if you are coming to Wales, then make sure that you have a look at our website, excelchurch.org.uk/SWR, for all the latest info on different activities that you can sign up for, site maps and other things you can need for that weekend. And if you're not coming with us but you'd like to join us for a day, then get in touch with us if you'd like to join us in Wales for one of the days for that weekend away. We can't wait and we'll see you there. So this week is prayer and Bible study, so make sure you join us on Wednesday at 7:30 for that. And that's all for Excel News. So have a great week, guys.